This is a powerfully masculine and modern fragrance, perfect for the polished and confident men with a rebellious spirit. Let's find out more about the components that make Woody 5 the intense fragrance it is, starting with this beautiful orchid. Since its discovery in 1818, this orchid species has captured the hearts of many. With its spectacular blooms that come in amazing colors and a great fragrance of faint spice, cloves, and other aromatic herbs, we're sure you will fall in love with it too. It is an absolutely beautiful scent to work with. To enhance your mood and feelings of well-being, we have infused other orchid scents into our fragrances. These orchids are therapeutically beneficial and, most importantly, serve to impart its soothing and calming properties. Not only that, these orchids come with medicinal values as well, and have been used in many folk medicines such as remedy herbs. Just like this therapeutic orchid, it is slightly bitter in taste and cooling in nature, which helps in clearing internal heat, detoxifying the body, and soothing the lungs. Other minor illnesses such as sore throat, mouth ulcers, and runny nose can be treated with this plant as well. As for this orchid, the entire plant can be used in traditional Chinese medicine. Found mainly in China, it is utilized for detoxification, reducing heavy swellings, and as an antidote for snake bites and poisons. Other scent notes such as leather, pepper, cardamom, frankincense, and edgy woody notes complete the essence of this composition. Intoxicating, rich, and sensual, the scent of leather plays a very key role in this composition. Leather aroma could be made from birch tar, which has a leathery smokiness, or other synthetics, designed to conjure up a skin-like scent. It adds a beautiful and exotic element, evocative of posh cars, luxurious leather goods, or biker jackets, which makes it interestingly ironic, symbolizing wealth yet rebellion. Intensely aromatic, cardamom has a sweet, resinous yet spicy tone, with lingering bitter nuances, providing an alluring impact on the fragrance. With its sharp, invigorating scent, it helps in strengthening cognitive mind and improving focus while reducing fatigue, aiding one in starting the day feeling energized and alert. And there you have it, an exquisite blend with a flawless combination. A fragrance that evokes pure masculinity in every sense and should be a staple of any man's perfume.